Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a couple of months worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you. But my goal here is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels, and then walk you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. Now, the big dynamic that's occurred since the last update I did, last time I was doing the video, this breakout here was very well underway, and the question at that point was, hey, is this the start of something bigger? What exactly is going to play out here? And since then, we've gotten our answer. And while I'm not going to say the chart's ruined, yeah, that breakout right now pretty much rolled back over and broke back below that breakout point at 12,000. Now, to be fair, as of the recording right now, you can see that the price has bounced back upwards, and the price is oh so slightly trying to get back above the 12,000 mark, which brings about the first question that you should be asking yourself. So let's just say you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from now, which I should say I'm jealous of because you're going to have a much better idea of what's occurred with this dramatic action. But let's just say you're watching, like I said, 15 hours from now. Question number one, just as simply, where's the price at relative to 12,000? Has this current move been able to get back up above it? And not only that, just continue to increase back above it? Or has this movement just continued on down? So the big linchpin question becomes, where's the price at relative to 12,000? If you're answering the question that the price is above 12,000, well, how far above 12,000? And from that angle of things, very common sense answer, meaning the higher the price is up above 12,000, the more bullish the situation has become, and the better the recovery has become from this very deep pullback right now. On the flip side of things, though, if you're saying, well, no, Clay, the price is down below it, well, then again, how far down below it? And the further the price is down below 12,000, that just implies that this current pullback that's underway has just, gotten that much worse and that much more bearish. So that's why I say everything is literally revolving around that 12,000 mark, because the price is basically right at that level after a big pullback. So as of now, maybe this is the end of the pullback. The price is getting ready to go sideways and start to head back up. Or maybe this is just the pause and the price is getting ready to head back downwards. That's why I said I'm a little jealous of those of you that are going to be watching this 15, 20 hours from now, because you're going to have a much better idea of how the price ultimately reacts right around 12,000. Or maybe just saying, well, Clay, the price is literally just staying right around that area. At that point, consolidation would be the one word that could summarize that price movement. If it's just, right around the 12,000 mark, give or take, 100 or two. But overall, yeah, let's see how the price reacts with regard to that 12,000 mark, and see if maybe the price can get back on the trajectory it was currently going. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.